Growth is an exciting journey for businesses, big and small. They look ahead, charting a path toward their next milestone. Greater impact, winning a contract, a larger team, a better facility, and even a new market. The opportunities are vast, but growing beyond borders also comes with more risk. At EDC, we know that risk is a line that only the game changers cross. Where others see uncertainty, they see possibility. That's where we come in. We are the international risk experts, among the lucky few who witness their bravery and commitment. Inspired by those who turn dreams into reality and pursue their passion, our purpose is to help them navigate the winding roads of global markets. We are there at every turn to guide them when needed and encourage them to accelerate without looking back. We turn risk on its head. We encourage our customers to aspire without borders because we've got their backs. And we believe that their potential has no limits. We take on risk so that they can take on the world.